Arushi and welcome back to my channel, guys. So today I have another amazing DIY. So guys, in today's DIY I'm going to be making a DIY flower and flower pot. Reuse your old plastic water bottle. So without further ado, let's get started the video. Let's go. Take a jhadu stick of 20 cm, then apply glue. Then take rope and start folding the rope around the stick like this. Keep on doing. After rolling the rope, it will look like this. Now let's make petals for the flower. Take rope and put the glue on the rope and roll it like this. Keep on doing like that and put glue and roll the rope. After it is done, it will look like this. Make 5 petals for one flower. Now let's make pom-pom. Take this much wool and fold it like this. Then take 2 fingers and fold the wool around it. Now take out the wool from the fingers. Then take a piece of wool and tie it. Tie it tightly. Now cut through the loops. Trim the ends evenly. Now let's assemble the pieces with gun glue. Put glue on the stick. Then start pasting the petals, 5 petals. Now here we are done pasting the petals. Now paste the pom-pom in the center. And we are done. For more support of the flower, put glue on the stick and start folding the rope around the stick till the flower, at the down of the flower. Like this. Make more flowers how much you want. You can make in more colors too. Now let's make the pot. Take a small bottle and remove the cap. Take rope and glue. Now just start folding the rope from the end to the finish line. Put glue like this. Now start folding the rope around the bottle. Like this. Keep on doing. Now here we are done with the pot. Now put the flowers inside the bottle and done. I hope you liked the video. If you liked, then like this next video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification. And also, don't forget to share it with your families and friends. Bye. See you next video.